The cook is hot. Ooh, she's on fire. Hey, she's on fire. Yup, she's on fire. The cook is hot. Hey, the cook is hot. The cook is hot. boys, make some noise. Hey, home girls, make some noise. Y'all know that the cook is hot. The cook is hot. Hey, she's on fire. She's on fire. Yeah. What's up, homies? Today I made this baked macaroni and cheese. It's my famous 5-cheese macaroni and honey. It's creamy and delicious and dripping with cheese. I like my cheese to be dripping, honey. This is how I like my cheese, okay? Now, I learned this recipe. Well, it's a recipe I already made macaroni and cheese. But when I lived in Egypt, they used to make a macaroni cheese. Well, they used to call it macaroni bechamel. So I said, let me try to mix the bechamel sauce with the regular grated cheese that I normally do. And oh my goodness, it was a good decision, honey. It's all creamy on the inside, cheesy. Oh, I just love it. It's a step-by-step video. I'm not really talking through it. You can look at some of the things that I'm doing. I will tell you the cheeses. I use cream cheese. I'm not going to give you a brand name because you can use any cream cheese that you want, okay? Cheddar cheese, the hard cheddar, is cut up into little chunks. Then I use shredded mozzarella. Then there's a cheese blend. You buy it as a package. It includes Monterey Jack, Colby, and mild cheddar cheese. Now, if you counted the mild cheddar cheese different from the hard cheddar, you could say it's a 6-cheese macaroni and cheese. But I'm going to keep it simple. Famous 5-cheese macaroni and cheese. It is delicious. Layer it as if you were making a lasagna. Macaroni, bechamel sauce, grated cheese. Macaroni, bechamel sauce, grated cheese. Stick it in the oven for about 20 minutes. If you want to turn on like the broiler, if you like your macaroni and cheese a little burnt on the, top. I don't like mine like that, but take it out of the oven, serve it hot. I love my macaroni and cheese served hot. Some people are gonna say, let it cool down a little bit. When you let it cool down, the cheese gets a little harder. It's not dripping. Like I said, I like dripping and cheese, honey, dripping. So I serve it hot right out of the oven, whatever meal you want. It is delicious. If you notice, I barely used any season because a lot of the cheeses have salts in them. And remember when I told you, don't overdo it with things that already contain salt. Don't add too much more salt and seasonings. I hope you enjoy. Please subscribe and peace.
A few moments later.